This is a video of an 8mm Mauser I put together for my nephew years ago. I put it in an ATI stock. I put an ATI bolt piece on there where I had to cut the old bolt off and drill and tap and put this bolt in. I got a Weaver Optic Weaver Classic 39 by 32, I believe it is. I put this ATI scope mount on it, and it is a shooter, a good shooter. Anyway, I wanted to do a video on it because I hadn't even looked at this gun in years, and it is a tack driver, 8mm. I built this for him, or put it together for him when he graduated years ago. But a super nice rifle. I reload for it with a classic reloader. I want to thank my subscribers for watching and everybody else.